Hello and welcome. Today we're going to make coconut chutney. As you can see, I have all the ingredients lined up here. Of course, the first ingredient is coconut. I've taken about half a cup of coconut. The second one is Dalia or Pottu Kadalai. About 3/4 of a cup is enough. That gives the body to the coconut chutney. The third one and a very special ingredient is cashew nuts. Here I am using roasted and salted cashew nuts from Costco. Just a 1/4 cup or half a cup. You can just use the Dalia, but mixing it with the cashew nuts makes it very creamy and very good. Now the green chilies, it's a very important ingredient. As you can see, I have 2 sets of green chilies. The medium chilies, which give a lot of flavor but no spice. And then the good ones, the Thai chilies. You can get these in the Indian store. These are called medium chilies. These are called Thai chilies. The Thai chilies are the one which give the heat. Green chilies normally give a very good flavor, but if you put a lot of them, it's going to be very spicy. So this is flavor, no spice. This is the spice. And of course, curry pata or karvepalai or curry leaves. I have 3 twigs. One of them I'm going to put them raw in. 2 of them I'm going to saute using the Tadka and finish it. These are the ingredients. This is an optional ingredient. Fresh coriander or kottamalli. This is optional. Put them all into a blender jar. All the dry ingredients, do not pour any water in the beginning. The idea is to get the chutney with a very thick consistency. That's why what we're trying to do here is do the dry ingredients as much as possible and then add water little by little. At this point, add a tablespoon and a half of salt, or to taste. Don't add too much salt, and keep grinding and make it into as thick as possible as a paste without adding a lot of water and making it very watery. Okay. Now let's add the optional ingredient, the coriander. You don't need to add water because the coriander waters itself, but if you feel, add a little bit of water, not a lot, and grind them to a nice paste. Once you finish it and transfer it to a bowl, it should look like that. Look at that, clean and nice. Now the last part of the chutney is actually the tadka. So heat up oil in a small bowl and then mustard seeds. Start sputtering, and once it starts sputtering nicely, it should start in a minute. Some urad dal or udatambarupe. That's it. At this point I'm going to let it sputter. Yep, let it sputter a lot. Because of the moisture content basically. Look at that, I put that fresh curry pata on it. Now I'm going to put the actual tadka in it. That's it.